Numpy Elementwise comparison with overloaded operator. I have two number py arrays containing objects with an overloaded comparison operator that returns another object instead of true or false. How can I create an array containing the results of the individual comparisons? I would like result to be an array of objects like in the following. But LHS is lower than or equal to RHS gives me an array of bools. Is there a way to get to the result to be the array of the results of the __lu___ method calls without writing a Python loop?
Numpy's GitHub page on Indare states that the comparison operators are equivalent to the ufunc forms in Numpy. Therefore, LHS is lower than or equal to RHS is equivalent to np.less_equal LHS, RHS. From the output of np.info, np.less_equal. To get around this, you can use the np.vectorize will allow you to use numpy-wise broadcasting in the comparisons too. It will use your object's comparison and will return a numpy array of the results of those comparisons in the same form as your list comprehension.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.